Welcome to 1125 Northwest Marshland Street in Pullman, Washington. This incredible 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, custom-built home features an open-concept design that's perfect for easy living and entertaining. As you enter the home, you're welcomed by the naturally lit home office with vaulted ceilings and large windows. This home features an elegantly designed kitchen, complete with high-end appliances, custom-built cabinetry, spacious butler's pantry, and a large island with quartz countertops. Leaving the kitchen, you'll find yourself in an open living room with a gas fireplace, boasting huge picture windows with a cozy dining area nearby. The sliding doors off the living room lead outside to the large covered patio, the perfect place for enjoying the private backyard. The grand primary suite is located on the main level, complete with a beautiful master bathroom with double vanities, spa-like shower, soaking tub, and heated floors. The suite also includes a walk-in closet with extra space. The picture-perfect master bedroom features picture windows, letting natural light stream in. At the top of the stairs, you'll find a large bonus room, an ideal space for a playroom or TV room. The spacious bedrooms and full baths make this the perfect retreat for guests and includes a sizable second primary suite. This home is equipped with the latest in smart home technology, with an EV charging port, solar panels, and high-efficiency HVAC to keep energy bills low. For more information about this beautifully built home, visit RockyTHomes.com.